This code of conduct and membership agreement sets forth the standards of behavior and expectations for all individuals, members who join Victory with Ash, the community. By applying for membership and by participating in any Victory with Ash activities, you agree to comply with the following articles. 1. Article 1. Purpose. Victory with Ash is a private, invitation-only community created to inspire personal growth, foster business skills, and unite like-minded people around a big, bold, beautiful shared dream. Membership is a privilege, not a right. Qualifications for membership. To be considered for membership, each applicant must provide proof of personal identity as described in the separate identity verification guidelines, demonstrate a genuine desire for personal development and a commitment to forward-looking collaboration, a firm understanding and acceptance of this code of conduct. 3. Article 3. Principles of conduct. Each member shall adhere to the following personal attributes at all times, and act ethically in all communication and personal interactions. Communicate truthfully and avoid any form of misrepresentation. Positive mental attitude. Maintain optimism even when facing challenges. Action-oriented. Take initiative and follow through on commitments. Open to learning. Remain teachable and willing to embrace new ideas and skills. Willingness to follow a plan. Support agreed-upon strategies for the growth of the community. Optimism. Contribute to a culture of hope and constructive thinking. Genuine caring interest in others. Show empathy and respect toward fellow members. Big thinkers. Envision possibilities beyond personal gain and encourage collective success. Member responsibility. Support the shared vision and goals of Victory with Ash. Treat all members with courtesy, respect, and fairness. Protect the privacy and confidentiality of any personal information shared within the community. Avoid conduct that may harm the reputation or integrity of the community. 5. Article 5. Compliance and discipline. Membership may be suspended or terminated if a member violates any provision of this code of conduct. Decisions regarding suspension or termination shall be made by the community's leadership team in its sole discretion. Members who are removed may reapply only after demonstrating corrective action and with the approval of the leadership team. 6. Article 6. Acknowledgement. By signing below or by otherwise indicating agreement through the official membership process, you acknowledge that you have read, understood, and accepted this code of conduct. You understand that membership is exclusive and conditional upon continued compliance. Victory with Ash reserves the right to amend or update this code of conduct as necessary to preserve the integrity and vision of the community.